Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video using this little cartoon girl that I traced earlier and put her up boundary. And then I used the graph paper to make tile, basically. So this we're doing differently. We're making a jigsaw puzzle. It's been a while since I've made a jigsaw puzzle. And I'll leave a link to this puzzle generator. I'll leave this link. And you could change it. You could have 6 tile, on each direction. I'm going to go back to 5. I've got, I've found that it doesn't matter what you set the other number on. You can set this on, 15 by 15. It makes the puzzle bigger, and sometimes it does that. So let's just change it back to 5. Because you can change the size. This is the size of an element. Then there's a different, the speed, which I don't really understand, but then there's the tab size. You can make the tabs bigger. If maybe it was a child, you can make them smaller. You can make the jittering, which is basically changes it makes them a total different shape than a normal square-looking puzzle. So we're going to go with that and then just hit download SVG file. Then go back to Corel and right-click and import. I've got it on this drive. It's just type in jig. There's jigsaw 2. Import it. Now watch what happens. It's real small. But that doesn't matter because we can just expand it out. And we can make it 4 by 4. Now, the only thing I've found in this puzzle, this generator, is you can break them apart later, but it doesn't work as well as if you take the Smart Fill tool and fill these in. So this thing's 4 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 5. It takes a little bit of time. And you don't have to move them because if you look, this is all together. I'm going to do it a little different before I nudged them. It's a lot easier not to nudge. So I'm just going to go through here and color in the spots. And then after I get one of them, because it's all grouped together, I can move the whole lineage. What I'm doing is creating new objects. So we're going to take this one and move it away. And then we can take our puzzle and delete it. Then we can move this back. And you're going to have to go left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline if you're going to cut the puzzle out. Now, it's individual puzzles, so we have to go up to object and group it together for the power clip to work. And I said in the other video, I really don't like power clip, but it does do the best job in this, the way to do things. Power clip, it place inside frame, just put it in your frame, go up to edit. And what I like about it, you can still get off of it and zoom, and you can edit it and put it, wherever you want it to. And then say finished. Now all you have to do, you can cut that out just like it is. You don't have to do this, but go to object and group and ungroup it. And then you can, let me set my nudge factor on like 1 inch. Then you could take each tile and nudge it out of the way and do whatever you want to do with it. It's pretty cool, but I will leave a link. I'm trying to get that one back in. I will leave a link at the bottom of this video for that puzzle generator because it's a really cool, you could draw this, and I've drawn many of them, but you can't draw one that fast and change it and do what you want to it. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.